again.
No, don't do that.
Oh yeah, now you're on camera. I'm sitting here eating food and this lady says, "What are you, Insulin Junkie and you're eating donuts?" Yeah, tell it to the camera so you can be on my YouTube channel, love. She's hiding her face. All right.
All I gotta do is put my mind.
Did you see that? There's a bike like a few cars behind us. Maybe. There he goes. Yeah, what up, boy? Oh, Cowie. I like that. Do you? What's your name? Oh, okay. All right. Hey, we're going to his house right off this street. Follow us. My bad.
No, he did that shit to me when we were riding. He put in front of me and fucking...
I didn't mean to kick that much off. What's up, buddy? I like that bike. What's your name?
Austin.
Austin, I'm Nick, man. What do you follow me on, YouTube or Instagram?
YouTube.
Okay, shit.
Yeah, I saw this and I was like, I know that's not an H2.
What year is that?
2018.
That's a nice fucking bike, man.
I like the way it looks.
Damn.
It's like a 600 though. No, yeah.
Can I sit on it?
Huh?
Can I sit on it?
Yeah, go ahead, man.
I'm gonna try this thing out.
It's upright. It's not a naked.
No, it's not at all. It's fucking comfy, bro.
What do they call this? Ninja 400? Well, but like, is it like a touring or what is it? Sports touring? Sports touring? Yeah.
It's a Ninja. It's a
upright, but it's not a naked.
No, dude, it's a fucking crotch rocket. What are you talking about?
This is not crotch rocket bars.
Bro, it's a fucking Ninja.
It's not a crotch
It's
rocket.
a fucking Ninja.
You see how you're sitting on it?
Don't matter. All Ninjas are fucking crotch rockets, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's a fucking crotch rocket, dude. This
is a newer sport.
yeah, it's just newer. All the new ones are like this. It's a 2018, dog.
It doesn't seem.
It's a.
It seems like a sport.
Trust me, it's because it's a 400.
Like these bars.
Yeah, dude, this is a fucking. This is a street bike. This ain't no fucking sport touring. This is a fucking crotch rocket, dog. And it's fucking light. Oh my god. This thing is flickable as fuck, dude.
Only like 360.
What?
370, 360.
Yeah, she's nice, man.
That's half of it.
That's awesome, bro. You say your name's Austin?
Yeah.
Austin, Nick, officially.
She needs an exhaust.
Yes, she does. She needs a
You
can
get one
on
of
there.
these on there, huh?
Old Fender Delete.
You get one of these on there.
They got Yoshimura tag and not a Yoshimura pipe. It's like, it's cool.
Still paid it off first.
I know, that's right.
There you go.
We rolling right now? We are rolling. Guys, we met up with Austin. I tried giving him a card, a spam card, but he was like, I already follow you on YouTube. I was like, all right, fuck you too. Here goes another one. Squirrel. Yeah, man, he's got a 2018 Ninja. This thing is fucking sexy, bro.
Oh, yeah, I figured. Yeah, I have a windscreen. Actually, I just got from Revzilla.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that color, man. That thing is fresh.
Yeah, the orange is dope as fuck.
Peace.
Run. Easy, easy, come on, come on.